Oh, what is happening, everyone? What is going on? Jim here, RC After Dark. Got an unboxing for you guys today. Little unboxing video here. Let's try to get this done nice and quick. Lickety split. Get out the old trusty knife. Was expecting this box this morning, but at my new location, the mail gets dropped off at a little box at the end of my driveway. And we got a lot of freezing rain, and my driveway is just nothing but a solid sheet of ice. I tried getting in the box, but I missed the mail lady and I actually had to wait a little while and go to the post office and get it directly. And this isn't opening up right, but we're just going to tear into this guy. Pull out some packing foam. We don't need that. Who needs that? Gonna have to clean it up later. Yes, sir, indeed. There she is, guys. I've been waiting to get a TRX4 for a long time. Ever since I bought my TF2. I bought my TF2 for my birthday last year, and my birthday is going to be in 2 days, guys. My birthday's on Sunday, and I got myself another new truck for my birthday. I know it's sad buying yourself an RC car for your birthday, but that's what we did, and there she is. We got the new Traxxas Bronco TRX4 with the sunset paint job. There she be, guys. Look at her. Well, let's crack this baby open and see what she's all about, eh? And this came from my local hobby store in Farmington Hills, Michigan, which is, I just tore off their name, but Nankin Hobby in Farmington Hills, Michigan is where I ordered this from. Local hobby store. So what do we got here, man? We got a box that looks like it's gonna be hard to open. Maybe not. First thing we see is a radio. I'm like a kid in a candy store, guys. I'm pretty excited here. Traxxas TQ, top qualifier, blah blah blah, hip hippity hoopla. There she be. Oh, and there's our truck peeking out right there, guys. Some more styrofoam in the box. And that is it. Nothing else in the box but some styrofoam and a manual I think is underneath the truck. We'll put our styrofoam back in here. There's our truck. Do we need to take a look at the box, guys? Do you want to see the box? Well, you're not going to see it because I'm throwing it everywhere. Oh, the excitement level is through the roof, guys. What's in the box? What's in the box? We got a TQI 2.4 gig 4-channel radio, XL5 HV waterproof ESC, Titan 21 turn 550 motor, quality tool set, quick start guide, TRX4 ready to drive with Ford Bronco body, LiPo compatible, 3S. Same thing in several different languages. Just for the people who are in different countries. Feel free to hit pause and read what any of this crap says. Traxxas, blah blah blah, something something something, something something something. Shut the flash off so you can read it. More foreign languages. What you'll need to run. 4 AA's, 6 or 7 cell nickel metal, LiPo, blah blah blah, Traxxas high current connector. Oh, I don't have a Traxxas high current connector. Oh, what am I gonna do? Don't know. Soldering in the future here. Yeah, look at the side of the body. Our box here, we can get sunset, we can get red. I like the sunset. Reminds me of the old school 79 Broncos from back in the day. Always loved that sunset paint job. It wasn't for everybody, but I definitely like it. power of portals. Yeah, we probably all know what all that says, eh? TRX4 scale and trail crawler is equipped right out of the box with Traxxas game-changing portal axle set. Portal axles lift the truck at the wheels for a huge center pumpkin ground clearance. In order to achieve the same clearance with straight axles and not get stuck, your tires would have to be over an inch taller than the TRX4s. Straddling boulders with ease, the TRX4 chassis takes the path less traveled and simply leaves the others behind. So yeah, we're pretty excited about this here rig. Torque twist eliminated. Canyon Trail 1.9 tires, Metal Gear digital servo, high-low range transmission, T-lock remote locking differentials, waterproof blah blah blah, inner fenders, controller, rigid steel frame, improved geometry, extreme capability, aluminum GTS shocks, 3S power system, heavy duty extra wide rod ends, scale detail. Alright, and we are rolling here. Take a peek at our manual. We got some body pins, we've got a box wrench or a 4-way wrench, a few Allen wrenches in here, some stickers of course, and the mighty manual, which I'm sure none of you guys really want to see. The truck, let's get looking at her. I got one body pin on it. Oh, 2 body pins on it. That's what you get for looking and not looking. We'll take the plastic off and get a peek at this sweet looking body. Wow, talk about shelf queen. I'm going to be afraid to scratch this guy for a minute. Not too shabby. And from the looks of things, you can put lights in here. The lenses are open. So I believe you can put a light kit in this guy fairly easy, which I cannot wait to do. Get a look at our new truck here. Fairly nice tires. They do have the foam in them. Plastic wheels. Try to get the focus in on it a little bit better. Little plastic hubs on the wheels, which is pretty cool. Take our nice little shiny plastic wrap off our bumpers. Not so easy, apparently. Oh, my first TRX4. Ben Brubaker would be proud. What do you think, Ben? How you doing, buddy? Been a long time, brother. Got some kind of safety warnings here, which I really don't care too much about. It's the XL5 setup tips. Well, apparently I do care about that. I'll read that later. Our differential servo. Or is that the shift servo? That is the shift servo, and there's our differential servos right there and there. Micro guys, little teeny mini guys. Our big 550 motor, 21 turn. Get a look at our underside here. A little peek at our undercarriage. Not too bad. I mean, we got plastic drive shafts, of course. to be expected from any new RC vehicle. Plastic axle still. You know, they said there's a lot of metal parts in here, but I don't know if they really changed this at all from the other TRX4s or not. It did say it did have some improvements with the approach angle and departure angle, and they did say they improved some other things on it. It does have aluminum shocks, which is pretty cool. Yeah, not much articulation really, guys. Kind of pitiful in a way. But, you know me, we'll work on it. We'll see what we can get out of this guy for articulation and whatnot. But let's slap the body on it and see what she looks like, eh? One more peek at the back of the truck here. I just noticed that it does have a built-in hitch receiver, which is pretty sweet. With some chain attachment points there. Slice into the bag here and grab some of our parts. Yeah, we'll leave the Allen wrenches in there. I'm just going for some body pins right at the moment. They gave me 2 body pins, so we need to get 2 more out of here. And then I'll reseal this package back up. Not a big fan on body pins, guys. Really not at all big fan of body pins. But they do a nice job of holding the body on. But probably gonna have to get some different kind of mounts for this in the future, I'd imagine. Either that, or I'm gonna take a pair of pliers and tweak up the ends of these pins so they're a little bit easier to pull out. That'll be a definite thing in the future here. Next time you see this truck, these pins should be tweaked up and put into place. The mirrors appear to be hard plastic. They do not appear to be folding in any way, shape, or form, so that is going to be a rollover hazard right there, waiting to happen. A lot of little chrome goodies stuck on here, hard plastic chrome on the body. Mirrors are plastic as well. Chrome plastic windshield wipers. Plastic grille. Plastic lenses on the lights. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Ford logo is just a sticker. That is a rectangular sticker going across the grill there. I don't know if you can see the outline here above my finger. But that is a sticker going across the grill. Would have been cooler if that said Ford in chrome. But there's what we were looking at, guys. Yeah, not too sure on the articulation there. Apparently my knife just does not want to stand up here. Little balancing point here. Trying to see what she looks like. Yeah, we're looking at just about 5 inches, guys. Right around 5 inches to the bottom of the tire. Probably figure 4 3/4 of actual height underneath that knife. So there's a look at our truck. Brand new Bronco there. Looking pretty tough. And we'll get this guy out and running here in a couple seconds.